Here's a 2018 Ram Quad Cab ST, 78,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in white. Nice truck here, good price point, 6-cylinder engine on this one. And we're just going to kind of go around here and show you some of the highlights. You can see we have the halogen headlamps there with the chrome bumper. Classic chrome Dodge Crosshair grille with black honeycomb behind. It does have the graphite front bumper on the work truck series here. And as we come around to the side, you can see the tires are brand new, like new tires all the way around, and you can also see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician who performed it in the glove box of all our cars. Show you that report here soon, but as we look in through the passenger side front seat, got a manual adjustment on that seat with a 40-20-40 fold down center console split bench seat. Allows for 6-passenger capacity if needed, which is nice. Also, you can see otherwise light gray, dark gray interior here on the combo. And let's see the report. You can see we got all the books, we got the trailer wiring, everything you need there in the glove box. Here's the report. You can see a picture of these report on the photo gallery. You see we got brand new tires all the way around, 12 on the front, 13 on the back. We also can see here we got brand new front brakes and 3/4 on the rear brakes. You know, in this very competitive market, everybody wants to be the lowest price on the internet. We do not skimp on wearables. You get the best value here because, as you can see, all new brakes, rotors, as well as tires on this truck. As we look in the back, it is a quad cab, but still ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for the rear occupants. It does give you the bigger bed, over 6 foot, I think it's 6'4" on this bed. You do get the longer bed with the quad cab, which is nice. And again, you know, new tires all the way around. I got a wheel well liner, but I can tell you there's no rust or oxidation on the frame rail. You see, of course, it is a 4x4. We do have the tow hitch with the integrated 7-way round, 4-way flat wiring. We do have a backup camera as well. We do have a factory sprayed in bed liner also. Continue around to the other side again. Wheels are in good condition. Let's say tires are like new. And then in the other side, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner is a non-smoker. And in the front here, again, manual adjustment on that driver's seat also. We always promise 2 sets of keys. You can see them both here. The integrated key fob. Also classic positionings of your power locks, windows, and mirrors. Go ahead and jump in. Start it up and get you the exact mileage here. This is actually just some residue on the glass. I didn't want you guys to think that it was, actually it looks like we might have a little scratch right there. This is actual scratch. This is just some water residue there, cleaner. But we do have a scratch right there, and we will go over any damages here in a little bit. But the dash lens has a little scratch. I want to show you the Carfax. You can see no accidents or damage, 1 owner, 11 service records. It doesn't get any better than that. And you can see the mileage is 78,471. Is equipped with automatic headlamp controls, also a cargo light switch and a dimmer for your interior below that. Stem to the left, high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers. Is equipped with Bluetooth. This is your control pad for your center display over here on the left. You do have your cruise control and the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission with a push of a button up or down right here. We do have your AM, FM, satellite radio, basic radio here on this with your media capabilities, MP3 or auxiliary, ability to pair your phone and radio settings. Dial shifter here for your automatic transmission. We also got your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. Has a push button over here. Climate control in the center, does give you traction and tow haul. 3 large cup holders here, and inside is where you'll find your connectivity there. You see 2 USBs and an auxiliary. We do have an auto dim on your rear view mirror. No visors mirrored or illuminated here on your, oh, we actually do on the passenger side, just not on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. I think it's a 3.6 liter V6. If you've never driven Dodge's V6 version in a full-size truck, you'll come away quite impressed. It runs very, very well and gets much more efficiency, obviously, fuel efficiency than the Hemi. It is a 3.6 liter, as you can see, very clean and quiet. No exhaust leaks or fluid leaks. No corrosion on the battery terminal. All your essential check and fill points denoted with these yellow caps and dipstick handles. Makes it easy to navigate. Let's get into the last part of the video here. Just to recap, showed you brand new tires, new front brakes. Showed you a copy of the audit history report, one owner, no accidents or damage. The last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Just going to walk around the car here, show you any minor imperfections like a tiny little stone chip right there. Try to point out any dings or dents if I see them. This truck seems to be pretty clean though. Looks like we have a couple little spots here we touched up right by that window seal. Pretty good. Up and down that bedside. Now tailgate, couple little scratches. So this is typically where you're going to find damage on the truck. Just minor scratches here across this top lip and on the protective cover. That's what it's there for. Protect the tailgate. We don't have any dents on that tailgate though. Chrome bumper has no damage. Working our way up the passenger side. Pretty good there, dent wise as well. Thought we might have a little scratch there, but just a little bit of dirt. It's good, guys, nice and clean. Chrome bumper, no dings or dents up front. Check out the hood yet. Couple of little marks here on the hood, couple little stone chips. All in all, guys, though, nice vehicle, efficient, gets the job done, good price point, especially with truck prices these days. If you're interested, please give us a ring. A few ways of getting hold of us. Of course, call us 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales. You can come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Or, of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.